Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial. Today I'll be showing how we can unzip and zip lists together. You can use these functions to separate out or combine lists into certain formats. So let's begin with zipping lists together. In my example, I have started by creating 3 lists that all contain different properties for a person, being their name, age and their favourite colour. So I will zip these together by running the following command. Variable name, which is data, equals list, to make sure it creates a list for it, zip, and then the name of the list in order I want them to combine. Then it will print this list once it's been made. It will be in the form of James, 32, blue, Chloe, 21, red, and so on. So that is it on how to zip. Pretty simple. Now to unzip, this is done by setting multiple lists as the zip, then an asterisk to tell the program that we are unzipping, and then the name of the list we are unzipping. Now it has reverted those lists into the same content as the original lists. So when I run it, it will show the result after zipping and then after unzipping. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something new and enjoyed.